very good day to all of you. I hope you are doing great and ready for an exciting journey into the world of writing. Today, we are heading towards our very first topic, which is based on introductory concepts related to our course. This introductory session will give you brief insights of what expository writing is and how it works. Before we begin, can you think of a time when someone explained something to you in a way that was easy to understand? Have you ever wondered what does it mean to explain something clearly to another person? Did you include enough details and examples for someone to understand, or your steps or ideas in the right order? By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the key concepts of expository writing, identify the purpose of an expository essay, recognize basic characteristics of expository writing, explain major types of expository writing. So let's start. What is expository writing actually? Expository writing is a type of writing that aims to explain or describe a topic in a clear and concise manner. Expository means intended to explain or describe something. Its primary purpose is to convey facts, concepts, ideas, or instructions to the reader, often in a straightforward and objective fashion. Expository writing is used to educate, to inform, or clarify a subject, making it a common style in various non-fictional contexts. It is generally found in textbooks, academic essays, letters, manuals, reports, news articles, pamphlets, magazines, guidebooks, etc. Moving on towards the next point, which is the purpose of expository writing. Expository mode of writing is generally used to perform the following functions. The very first one is to inform. The purpose of expository writing is to inform the reader about a particular topic or subject by providing factual information. It serves as a means to convey knowledge and raise awareness about a subject, ensuring that the readers gain a better understanding of the topic. For instance, a news article sharing the results of a general election is an example of this purpose. The second purpose of expository writing is to explain. Expository writing aims to explain complex concepts, complex procedures, processes, or ideas in a very straightforward and comprehensible manner. By comprehensible, we mean the thing which is very easy to understand for the reader. It breaks down intricate subjects into simpler components, making it accessible and digestible for the audience. By audience, again, we mean the reader, the one who is going to read the writing. The process of photosynthesis is generally explained using the format of expository writing. This can be the example of expository writing, how it explains something. The next function is to describe. Expository writing describes specific subjects, objects, places, or events in detail, which helps us to offer a clear and vivid portrayal that enable readers to visualize and comprehend the subject being discussed. For example, a brochure of a housing society exemplifies the descriptive attribute of expository writing. Next one is to persuade. While primarily focused on factual information, expository writing can also aim to persuade or convince the reader by presenting a compelling argument supported by evidence, which aims to influence the reader's perspective or behavior. For instance, an article written on the benefits of regular exercise and walk can be used to convince readers to revise their daily routine and include exercise within their schedule. Next one is to educate. Expository writing plays a vital role in education, as it serves as a primary method for delivering knowledge in academic settings, teaching students about various subjects and various concepts. An example of this is a book of history is one such example of expository writing used for educating the target audience. Moving on towards the next point, which is the basic specific characteristics of effective expository writing. The characteristics of expository writing can be elaborated under the following headings. Number 1, clarity. Number 2, coherence. Number 3 is logical sequence. Number 4 is objectivity. And the number 5th point is it should be convincing and it should be a credible writing. Discussing the very first characteristics, which is clarity. This refers to the ability of the writing to be easily understood by the reader. Clarity in expository writing involves using clear and precise language, which means avoiding overly complex or obscure terms that might confuse the reader, providing clear explanations, clearly explaining concepts, clearly explaining ideas or processes without any ambiguity. Then using concrete examples, illustrating abstract concepts with concrete examples to aid understanding of your reader. Maintaining a logical flow, ensuring that each sentence and paragraph logically connects to the next, helping the reader follow the author's train of thought. Second one is coherence. So what is coherence? It refers to the smooth and logical flow of ideas within a piece of writing. So how a piece of writing can be coherent? A coherent expository piece has a clear thesis statement or main idea, which means the central theme or argument is clearly stated and maintained throughout the writing. It uses transitional words and phrases. Words like however, therefore, in addition, etc. helps to signal shifts between ideas and maintain the flow of the text. Maintains consistency in tone and style. Avoid sudden shifts in tone or style that might disrupt the reader's engagement within the text. Organizes information logically, presenting information in a manner that makes sense to the reader, whether it's chronological, it's spatial, or by importance. So these are some of the basic characteristics of expository writing. We are going to discuss some other characteristics in our next lecture. Thank you so much. See you all in the next lecture.